Welcome back to Cybernetics. So today's video is about abstraction and encapsulation, which are the concept of OOPs. Let me first tell you the definitions. Abstraction is the feature that is used to hide the unnecessary details or to show the essential information. Encapsulation is the feature where the code is written as a single entity, so it can be protected from the outside world. Okay, so when you start a car, you just push a button or use a key to start it, but you don't know what has actually happened. But it gets ignited and behind the scenes. The piston starts pumping, gear rods start rotating, and all that stuff happens. But you don't know them. You just ignite, and also it's unnecessary to know them because our aim is to get the car up and running. So this is what abstraction basically is. So abstraction is displaying only the essential features, and encapsulation is restricting the access of methods or members of one class. It's like the iPhones. You cannot access it with your normal cable that we use for Android phones. It is only accessed by its lightning cable, so encapsulation is something like that. We'll understand it better when we get to the programming part. So now let's get to the programming part of abstraction first, and then let's move to encapsulation. So I have this program to explain how abstraction works. We use the keyword abstracts for the class that we wish to abstract, and also the methods inside it. So we have the abstract class bike, inside which we have the function run method. We are only supposed to implement them here, and we should not instantiate the methods here. So we end the method with a semicolon. And in the class abstraction, we extend bike, which makes it the child class, and it is also the main class because it has the main function inside it. And we create an object P. Well, the object declaration is something similar to upcasting. If you don't know what upcasting is, watch my polymorphism video, you'll understand it better. Basically, in upcasting, the method in child class overrides the methods in parent class. Now let's call the method run. So you can see that the class bike, it has no data that makes sense, but it gets the job done. So basically, that's what abstraction means. Moving ahead to encapsulation, this is easy. So we have two programs in the same package. One is employee, another one is name. So looking at employee.java, we are just reading the data here and we're not taking any values or altering anything. Public class employee, and it has the private string name. Notice that we gave a private access specifier because it has to be hidden from the outside world. That is basically what encapsulation's important feature is. And we have get name method, which returns the name, and also set name method, which accepts the argument name, which is of the value string, and this dot name is equal to name sets the value of name is equal to whatever it has received throughout the class. Now let's look at name.java. Here we have the main class, and inside it we're setting the value nargs by sending the value nargs to the set name method, which is inside employee.java. Both of them are in the same package, so JVM accesses it, and then we print the s.getName, whatever it prints, we get that as the output. And yeah, we're getting the output as marks. So that's it in this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content.